with you. With your foot, lady. I'm jumping, JB. I'm jumping, man. All right, let's go. That was 60 cares. 60 and 20 is what? So we're gonna go up to 80 now, okay? All right. There's the airplane crossing by. Wait for me. Wait. Remember we used to do that as kids? I don't know if in your country, but my country, I used to run it down and say, wait for me, I'm coming. I see why I'm so good today. Let's go. For 20 more, get up to 80. Okay, let's go. That's 25. That's 25 cares. You weren't checking. You weren't even counting. No cares, 100. When we are small, yes, you used to run behind the clear. We were declaring something that we didn't even know. How many times you have traveled? Oh my goodness. So inhale again, exhale. Wow, that feels so good. Inhale again, exhale. Oh my gosh. Let it out. Let it out. Whatever you took in last night, let it out. Feels so good. So we are gonna do 20 more and then that's the 100. Okay? I feel good already. Cares, I feel like hey, I feel like alright, let's go. That was for Karen. And you're like, you love you can't dance anyway. That one was for Karen. Okay? Let's be doing this. This is for Simone now. I'm doing this 20 for Simone. Because she read in my channel and I'm grateful for the Uber read, okay? Let's go to 20 more. So 20 more is 100, okay? Let's see. Let's go. Woo! I think that's like 50. How is this having fun doing that? Oh my goodness. Guys, that was over 20. I was just being extra right here with it because I feel like I could just go on and on and on because I was really having fun doing it. Inhale again. Exhale. Inhale again. Exhale. Whew. Inhale again. Exhale. Okay, that feels so good. So good. Let's see what they're saying. Yes, JD. I'm not going to let you distract me, you know. Wow, 46. Wow. Wow, that's amazing. Wow. That's amazing. Round of applause. All right. That was so good. Well done. We did stretch, we stretched, we did a little warm up, and we did over 100 skips today. That was amazing. Woo! Round of applause to all those persons who are here watching and you're saying that I must get my body intact, I must get fit for this year 2026, and you're coming along with me. You're going to work out, you're going to get your body fit. We're doing this together. Look at this. I need that for a screenshot moment. Wait, let me just do this. Let me create my highlights right here. Let me just create an highlight right here. Okay, guys, so we are going to be fit for 2026. That was for my highlights. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I would need to stop it now, though.